barely see dollar from none of my music, barely see shit, barely, fucking barely, be a fucking thief out there, scammer out there. No one see you reach nowhere, no one you fucking happy in your own circle. It fuck up. Trust me. I saw everybody. Like, I go crazy. I'm going crazy. Trust me. I'm going fucking crazy. Careful who you have in your circle, people. Like, careful who you let in your circle. Careful who you call family. And day ones, them no fucking rate you. Them don't fucking rate you. A producer will fuck me over, and one person was supposed to be in your corner as management, them a fuck you over. It's just too much bullshit. Which mall? DM me. If you're in LA, DM me, I tell you which mall I will link up.